What do you want me to film right now?
Here, just come and take a look at the difference between you and me getting ready for a day's travel. Here's me ready to rumble. There's Matt. What do you notice? Who is weak and who is strong?
Who packed properly and who's prepared?
Who has no clothes?
The Emperor. The Emperor has no clothes, Michael. It's 14 degrees Celsius.
Yes. That was cool.
You love rock.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. Formation.
What is that?
Sandstone probably that wore away, right? There was a hard piece left. Everything else wore away. See all the layers and sediment.
See the sign?
What?
It said go big.
Or go home?
Hopefully we're not going home, as Mike said in the first part of the first episode of Rust Valley Restorers. We're going big. Hopefully we're not going home.
That's right. Now we're going home. We went big.
We're here. We're near Eau Claire. Oh, we're going near Minneapolis. Jesus. That's Winnipeg. Michael,
Ooh, naranja.
we need more roughage and oranges. We're having problems today.
No apples?
No apples in there. Here, take this.
Why your bum is bunged?
Something is. Give me empty cups. We need triage cleaning. Triage cleaning. Did you put the cap on? Yes. Wow, 16 and a half gallons.
Yeah.
We were a gallon and a bit.
Yeah.
Water. Another one of those. Okay, let's do it. What else we got? Ooh, there's a vitamin. The vitamin on the floor. Take that.
Yeah, hang on.
Eat that vitamin. Here. Give me that empty bag. Like, why would you? Okay. So the vitamin? It's not. It's not a chewable. Your seat?
Yours.
My seat. Mike. It's.
They're both my seats. And
Lift up your seat.
No.
Lift up your seat.
Nope.
Look at, that's a preview right there on the edge of it. Oh, I see you in the back. Okay, let's get out of here.
We need some oil.
For what?
Move them down like cord. I don't know.
You have to record it? Hurry up, we're running out of time.
No, let me see if they got some 520. What is it? Is it 520?
No, 2050.
2050.
I thought you'd have some in the trunk?
A few moments later.
What, they don't have any here?
No. Oh, what's this? There we go. Baby.
We had a ton.
Not a ton, but we might have an adequate amount. Sufficiency to suffuncify.
Have you checked it though?
Yes, it was down this morning about there.
Let me see, hold on. Let's see if I can see it. Okay, it said down.
Yes. Hang on. I mean, we've been pushing. When did we fill it up?
Half a quart in. Let me see. Okay, hold it there.
It's almost down nothing.
Yeah, but it's been running. I thought.
No, it's almost down
Put a
nothing.
quarter in?
Yeah, we just topped it up just because we can.
I topped up that toilet.
I think this thing. Did you top up the toilet, man?
I did.
Did you make a deposit? No withdrawals. You left the shit. You didn't take a shit. Is what you're telling me. Yeah, let's make a mile.
Yes.
What did I close
You know what? What's this? 18, 19 gallons it takes? 18 gallons?
Yeah, I think so. Well, it takes 20, so we had so we took 16, so it had
80 kilometers.
Oh, yeah, we probably had 50, 60 miles left, but I mean, I don't look at my
Look at your seat. Look at your seat.
That's disgusting. They might never be
Mine
the
is
same.
cleaner.
Yeah, but your
Michael.
back is dirtier.
Okay, let's hit it.
Nothing like the taste of 2050 and
Some,
Vlasic dill pickle sunflower seeds.
is that their Vlasic?
So they taste so good. Yeah, I forget how we got in here. So I go that way.
Yes, correct.
We can't get out this way.
I don't know. No.
No.
Doesn't look like it. Ooh, yeah, you could have.
What?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, it's kind of warm.
Yeah. It's all coming back to me now. My sense of direction is unerringly wrong.
This guy's coming in hot.
Hey, which way we going on?
Don't kill this guy.
What?
I guess you're going right, yeah.
What?
Or is that the highway north?
Where are we going? Canada, here we come.
Michael, what are you doing to me?
Torturing you.
Why?
You have to pee so bad your back teeth are floating.
Uh-huh. Can you please
Are you
accelerate?
sure?
Yes.
Sure.
Accelerate
You
into.
really have to pee.
Really bad.
You're not just lying to me about having to pee, are you?
This bottle would work. For
Okay.
part of it.
Okay. There you go, Ma. Door-to-door service just for you, little buddy.
Door to door.
Just go to the
No
door.
shade here. Oh my god. Oh, is there shade? Is there shade? No shade. No shade.
No shade for you. Yeah, we're almost at the border, about 100K from the border, then we're back in Canada if they let us in.
That's like you. Wine later.
Not wine sooner. Your wine always. Do a book of the train art, all the boxcar art, all the good stuff.
Like a coffee book?
Yeah,
Why?
American graffiti.
There's a lot of train nerds out there.
I mean, we work on the railroad. You see some pretty amazing boxcars going by. There's in North Dakota and Saskatchewan. It's the same. It's the same. It's not like there's a geographic difference.
So this is?
North Dakota.
So let's see. Now we'll compare that for Saskatchewan. I think it's just because there's like gullies. Where the highway is, sometimes they just, like, it kind of goes down slowly. So you can see further.
The horizon, man. You can't see past it.
Mike, are you gonna put a shirt on for customs?
I have nothing to hide.
Obviously.
It's like a little flap. My conscience is clear. We're not taking anything back. I bought a Shirley Muldowney shirt, autographed. I can say that with a straight face because it's the truth. What did Matt Chad say? The most efficient form of speaking is the truth. I like that. Words of wisdom from a car guy. And it is the most efficient. There it is, 100%, all laid out. No innuendo, outnuendo, nothing. Just talk the truth.
Yes.
Unless you're going through customs. On the other side of those bushes is Canada.
Home sweet home, baby.
Will they let us in? Will it be a cavity search for Matt?
Hopefully.
Oh, Canada, our home and native land. Good, now we can slow down.
Last chance to go drag racing, Mike.
What if Canada Customs will let us do a burnout when we leave?
A few moments later.
Mike got regularly searched 3 times. No shirt, no problem.
No problemo, no lies.
We made it through, no problem.
Yeah, no problem. I told the truth. Home, sweet home, baby.
Yeah, baby!
It's good to be home, man. This is our country. We get to slow down now. We don't have 140 mile an hour speed zones or kilometers. Just good to be home. It's hard to explain. Looks the same, but it feels different. Never got shot down there.
Michael Hall, bang, bang, bang. Michael. You're the kindest star in the world. I'm gonna pull over here again. Trying to please everyone.
Well, I was just in Indy for 6 days.
Oh yeah?
Down at the U.S. National Drag Races.
Oh, right on.
Just coming back. My aunt lives in Winnipeg. She's 90. I'm taking her out for dinner. We gotta get the hell back.
Yeah. What are we doing here, Mike? First Tim Hortons, right across the border.
Flogging shirts, gas money to get home.
Morris, Manitoba.
Morris, okay. Okay, see? They're gonna grow into them.
I'm gonna grow into them.
What a salesman I am.
Are you? Why did you?
Okay, and this guy's grown enough.
You sold your first double X?
You guys want him autographed?
Yes, please.
Pull your pants up. Michael, pull your Daisy Pukes up.
Okay. Deal with the business transaction.
Puke, pull up your pants. You're frightening the children.
They can handle it.
Okay.
We call these Daisy Pukes.
Hang on. So you need one more XL?
Are we gonna sign in the back?
Triple.
I can see it now. Tim Hortons across Canada, stopping to sell T-shirts next year. What's up?
Guys.
In a landslide victory for Prime Minister Michael Hall is the next leader of the Canadian.
What?
What are you doing in Winnipeg?
My aunt lives here. She's 90. We just came back from 6 days at the Indy U.S. Nationals.
Have a good night, guys.
Thank you for watching the show. Appreciate you. Mike, they recognize you from the balcony.
Where is he? Shoot him. Gotta shoot him now.
Oh, your poor aunt. Okay, let's get your aunt inside here.
Apparently they know you.
Watch the show all the time, man. Okay.
Love it.
Glad you enjoy it, sir.
Love the show.
We're gonna be out there. We might be out there in a second. Thank you for watching. You watch YouTube? YouTube. You watch?
Really, I watch it right now.
Subscribe. You gotta subscribe,
I will,
or they're gonna berate you in the comments.
Where's what's his
Avery?
yeah.
He's at home tending to the sheep.
Yeah.